Hello and welcome back. In this video I'm going to tell you what backlinks are, how to make them, how to generate them, and why we would use them. So let's get straight into it. What are backlinks? Backlinks are also known as inbound or incoming links, and they are links to your website from another place on the internet. They are extremely useful to search engines because they give a good indication that a website is popular. Another website adding a link to you is essentially a vote for your website, as it shows their customers that they think your website is worth visiting. In addition to promoting your site via social media, it may be worth seeing if you can get links to your domain included everywhere else. For example, if you are a trade supply firm and the stores and tradesmen who you use have links to your website on their own sites, these backlinks will generate visitors to your site. They will also show search engines that your site is relevant to the type of people who are interested in those particular products or services. Using backlinks for SEO or search engine optimization. Search engines will consider the quality of the backlinks when indexing and ranking a website. A good backlink will have most or all of the following attributes. It will come from a reputable source. If a website is very popular, is highly relevant to the keyword that is being searched, and is genuinely considered to be reliable and trustworthy, the links provided by that site will be viewed positively by visitors and search engines. It will be included on a page which contains relevant information. Links added to pages which are relevant to your website will be viewed as spam by search engines and penalized in the rankings. This is to deter people who try to cheat the system by placing a large number of links around the web in hope for unfairly gaining visitors, a form of black hat SEO. The link text will be a relevant keyword. Link text or anchor text is the visible link on the screen. Ideally, this text should be a strong keyword, as this clearly shows visitors and crawlers what the link is about and therefore its relevance to a search term. For example, if I wanted to link Google, I could do so by writing www.google.co.uk, but this wouldn't indicate what the link was about or if it was relevant unless you were already aware of the website. A strong backlink will be a relevant descriptive keyword. My example link would be far more successful if my anchor text was search engine. Your own website will be of good quality. Strong backlinks are not good to you if your website isn't helpful to visitors who arrive there. Ensure all of your web pages are easy to navigate and are filled with relevant keywords, content and information. Even if a site receives a lot of visitors to its homepage, if they're not finding what they need and are still clicking through to other pages on your site, this may also harm your search engine ranking. Knowing how to use backlinks to leverage your visibility in search engines is a crucial element of SEO. Following what I've just said, you can ensure you're making the most of your website's backlink profile. There are a few good ways to make backlinks, and the first one is to pay someone else to do it for you. For example, you can go to a website like fiverr.com and search for backlinks, and then all of these come up, but you want to be aware of ones which will generate negative SEO like this one. They will blast 660,000 backlinks, although it does say beware about the negative SEO. So just make sure you look at what you're buying, as that is very important. Another great SEO backlink tool is on smallseotools.com, and then you need to scroll down, as you can see here, to backlink tools, and then you can click on backlink maker just here. And then all you need to do is paste in your URL or domain, and then click make backlinks. This particular backlink generator only generates high quality backlinks for you, so it doesn't generate any bad SEO. As you can see, if I paste in my domain and click make backlinks, you will then see what is made for me. Here we go. So first of all, we have built with, and then we have validator, and then we have whois, and Alexa, and just a lot more high quality backlinks. As you can see, just scroll down, it adds about 32. There you go. And that's all of them. And then as you scroll down, you can see which ones have been finished and which ones haven't, and then you just wait until they all say okay, so that means they are all finished. So yeah, that is smallseotools.com/backlink-maker, and that is absolutely great. I recommend using that, or Fiverr, whichever you would rather use, or both. So yeah, that's great, and that's backlinks. So thanks for watching, thanks for listening, I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you learned a lot. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.